Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a video on how to create your artwork for our garden stroke lawn flags. The overall size of the garden flags is 12 inch by 18 inches, and in pixels you want to make your artwork 2400 pixels wide by 3600 pixels high at 200 dpi. Where the flags are made, they are hand sewn. So this red area around the outside is basically where we sew them up, and this is the bleed area. So please don't put any critical image data in there. Don't put any text or anything in the red bleed area. I'll just drop an image onto there, what I made earlier. As you can see, that fits it because I've made it to the right size. If you want to check to see whether any of the design goes into the bleed area, just come across here to the opacity. This is in Photoshop. Just lower that down and you can see through the top layer into the back layer. You can see you've got plenty of space around the outside there. When you're finished and you're happy where your design is, just move it up there. If you're in Photoshop, flatten your image and then just save that as a JPEG, and as you can see it'll be the right size. There you go, 3600 by 2400, and that will load up in the app or in the manual portal. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.